Hi. So in this video, we're going to be looking at this challenge where you're asked to develop the code where the user is going to be entering numbers, and for each input, we're going to tell the user whether you have entered an odd number or an even number. Alright. And to terminate the program, we enter a -1. Alright. So let's look at how we can do this. Alright. So from the earlier video, alright, we have discussed that when you have the idea of not knowing when the user input is going to end, then we should have a while loop. Alright, so first I'll create a loop counter. Okay, so in this case, do I actually need a loop counter? Not necessary. Alright, because I don't need to keep track of how many times I'm running the loop. As long as I'm running the loop, I just give feedback as to whether the number is even or odd. Okay, so I just need a variable to capture the input. Okay, so the loop will run forever. Okay, the loop will run forever, and all I need to do is to keep giving a prompt to the user to enter a number, and I must also tell the user what input will terminate the loop. Okay, so cin into the num. Okay, so since I said that -1 will terminate the loop, I can check for that condition first. Alright, so we have covered if else before, so I can say if num equals to -1, then I print out that, okay, end of program. Alright, if, alright, so I can put this on a new line. Alright, if it is not -1, that means it is an even or odd number, so I can say else if num percentage 2 equal to 0, then we say this is a even number. Alright, else it is an odd number. Alright, so that's about it. Alright, we keep asking the user for an input, capture the input. If it is -1, we end the program. Alright, so how do I end the program? I need to execute one more statement here, which is break. Alright, so when I execute the break, what happens? I will terminate the loop, and I will continue from after the loop. Okay, so in this case, there's nothing else, so it's just the end of the program. Okay, so if it is not -1, then I can check whether it is even, or if it is not even, then it is odd. Okay, so the important thing is you must make sure you put in the break statement when I satisfy this condition. Okay, so let's run the code. Okay, so if I key in 2, it says even number. Alright, so let me just readjust the \n, alright, to put it after. Okay, so that it goes to a new line over here. Okay, then I think the printout will be easier to see. Okay, same thing over here. Alright, okay. Okay, so let's run it now. What is missing? Oh, I forgot the double quote over here. Okay, so let's run. Okay, so 5 is an odd number, 8 is an even number, 24 even number, 88 even number. If I key in -1, and it says end of program. Okay, so basically what you need, alright, the important things are you need a while loop, which because you're going to run forever, okay, until the exit condition is met, and the exit condition is that the user must enter -1. Okay, and once that has been captured, you can break out of the loop. If it is not -1, I just do the necessary check to print out whether it is even or odd. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.